Section 5.4 will cover employee benefits. I fill out the definitions already for you guys, so pause your video and it'll give you an opportunity to copy those definitions down. Okay, so pause your video right now and then resume it once you're done copying those definitions down. Question 1. Ruth contributes 18% of the total cost of her individual health care. This is a $67.50 deduction from each of her bi-weekly paychecks. What is the total value of her individual coverage for the year? Okay, so bi-weekly means 26 pays. And each pay, $67.50 comes out of her paycheck. That'll give you a total of $1,755 for her health care. Now, she only contributes 18% of that. So of the $1,755, she needs to figure out, so 18% as a decimal is 0.18, okay, times an unknown value x equals $1,755. You're going to divide both sides by 0.18, which gives you a total value of $9,750. That's how much her premium is for her health insurance. Now she only pays $1,755 of that. The rest of the money the employer would pay for. Number 2, Eddie is a plant manager at North Salem Construction Company. He has been employed for 20 years and will be retiring at the end of this year. His pension is calculated on the average of his last 4 years' salaries. In those years, he earned $82,000, $96,000, $105,000, and $109,000. His employer will give him 1.2% of that average for each year he worked. Calculate Eddie's pension. So you're going to add up all of these costs right here. Okay, so add them all up. All right, and you're going to divide by the last 4 years. So there are 4 totals, 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you do that, you'll get an average of $98,000. Okay, and his employer will give him 1.2% of each year he worked. So he worked 20 years times 1.2% gives you 24. Okay, so your new percentage is 24%. Take your $98,000 and you're going to multiply that by 24% as a decimal, or 0.24. So that means Eddie will get $23,520 per year in his pension. Number 3, in Rogers' state, unemployment compensation is calculated by finding the total of the quarterly wages, quarter means 4, of 2 consecutive quarters and dividing by 26. The weekly unemployment is 65% of that amount. In the quarter of January, February, and March, Roger made a total of $13,950. In the quarter of April, May, and June, he made a total of $14,250.10. Find Roger's weekly unemployment amount. All right, so $13,950.80 plus $14,250.10. Those are his first 2 quarters' wages. That's what he made January, February, March, April, May, and June. Add all those up. Okay, dividing by 26, it tells you right here, dividing by 26 gives you a dollar amount of $1,084.65. The unemployment compensation is 65% of that amount, so times 0.65 for 65%. So every week he will get a check from the state for $705.02 per week. Question 4. Roberto's employer offers a sliding paid vacation. When he started working, he was given 3 days paid vacation. For each 6-month period he stays at the job, vacation is increased by 2 days. Let X represent the number of 6-month periods worked and Y represent the number of paid vacation days. Write an equation that models the relationship between these two variables. So, we're trying to figure out how many paid vacation days he gets. Y is your paid vacation days, so Y equals. We started out with 3. He was given 3 days originally. 3 days paid vacation. And then for each 6-month period, we don't know how many 6-month periods he's working, but he gets 2 extra. Okay, it's increased by 2 days, which is right here. Increased by 2 days. So 2x would be that expression. He started with 3 days. You add on 2 days for every 6-month period. X is your 6-month period, and 2 is the extra days that you get. So Y equals 3 plus 2x. B says, how much vacation time will he have earned after working 4.4 years? So we're going to use that equation. Y equals 3 plus 2 times X. Well, 4.4 years. So you start out with 4.4 years. Now we need to figure out how many 6-month periods are in that. So there's 2 6-month periods in each year. Okay? So we have 4 years. So in 4 years, there are 8 6-month periods. The 0.4, we're not quite. We're only at 4 months, not 6 months. So 8 would be your amount of 6-month periods. Right? Year 1 is broken up into 6-month and 6-month. Year 2, 6-month, 6 months. 3, 6 and 6. And 4, 6 and 6, because there's 12 months in a year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why that number right there is 8. So 8 times 2 will give us 16. 3 plus 16 equals 19 vacation days after 4.4 years. And that is it for section 5.4.